Hi, everybody. So nice to see all of you here today. Love you too. Love you too.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಡ್ರು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
So nice to see this energy. It's so beautiful to see all of you here today. With nobody but other than Uppi sir and our Ram Garu. Wow! I feel so lucky to be a part of this project, and this is releasing on the 27th of this month. Are you guys coming to watch the film? Promise? Promise, promise? Okay. Please come. This is a beautiful film, and I'm sure you're going to fall in love with the film because you know you go to the theaters to watch a film and feel something very beautiful, so you're going to fall in love with it for sure. So, coming? Ready? See you. Thank you so much.
Bhagyashree, the entire audience here, especially the boys section. ಏನು ಹೇಳೋಣ ಈ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್? ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಯು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದಟ್, ಸಾರಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈವ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಇರೋರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂಚೂರು ಕೂತ್ಕೋತೀರಾ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ? ಅಣ್ಣ 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 ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಸ್, ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು?
I'm saying I'm creating that best memory today with Uppi sir and Ram Garu and showing you the trailer with all of you present here today. So thank you for this beautiful memory. I'm always going to remember it. Thank you.
Okay, since we are in Bangalore, there are a lot of Kannadigas here. Would you like to say anything in Kannada? If I teach you, it's fine?
Sure.
Okay, what do you want to tell? I'll translate for you in Kannada. ಆಯಿತು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾಸ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಭಾಗ್ಯಶ್ರೀ ಅವರು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ಲೇಮರ್, ಮುಂದೆ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದೆಮ್, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೆವರ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾಸ್ ದ ವೇ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸ್ವಿಚಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ನೌ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಭಾಗ್ಯಶ್ರೀ, ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಪ್ರೀತಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ ತಾನೆ?
ನೋಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲಂಗಾನೆ. Thank you so much. Thank you
ಭಾಗ್ಯಶ್ರೀ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಜಾಯ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಸ್ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಬರ್ಲಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾಗ್ಯಶ್ರೀ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಈಗ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಇಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಶಂಕರ್ನ ಕರೆದ್ಬಿಡೋಣವಾ? ಉಸ್ತಾದ್ನ ಕರೆಯೋಣ, ರೋಬೋನ ಕರೆಯೋಣವಾ? ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ರೊಮ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಇವರ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇವರಿಂದನೇ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅವರೇ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಎನರ್ಜೆಟಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಒಂದು ಡಬಲ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಉಸ್ತಾದ್ ಎನರ್ಜೆಟಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ರಾಮ್ ಪೋತಿನೇನಿ.
Thank you.
Ram sir, before I ask you any question, I think the fans want you to address them because they're all waiting from 5 o'clock just to have a glance. So, ನೀವುಂಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟು. ಫಸ್ಟು ಆಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. This is the first time I'm coming to Bangalore to promote my film. And Andhra King Taluka is releasing in only in 2 languages in the theater. One is Telugu and one is Kannada. So I've been to Bangalore before, and every time I came here, I've had such wonderful memories. And it's not about food, it's not about the weather, it's not about anything else, but just the people. So you guys were my memories every time I came to Bangalore. Love you too, love you too. And this... Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. This time it's even more special because Uppi sir is with me. We all call him real star, Upendra Garu, and he's indeed a real star. He's so humble, so down to earth. And sir, I've told you this before, and it's an honor to work with you, be with you, talk to you. Like I said, I'll come back to Bangalore just to meet you and have a nice chat. And yeah, Andhra King Taluka is releasing on the 27th. Have you heard the songs? What do you say for songs? Did you hear songs? How did you say for songs? Songs hadu kelidra. You like Nuvunte Chale or Chinni Gundulo? Team Nuvunte Chale, raise your hand. Team Chinni Gundulo? Raising both. I'm very glad. Thank you all so much. Yes, all this love. I'll take all your love and I'll give it back to you on the 27th from there. Thank you, Bangalore. Thank you so much.
I think the fans want to say something. ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು? Dialogue. So they want you to say a dialogue from the film, sir. Any dialogue of yours.
You want a dialogue from Ishmat Shankar? Completely different mode now, but... पता है मैं कौन हूँ? Shankar, Ustad Ishmat Shankar. Thank you all. I love you. Andhra King Taluka is releasing on the 27th. This film is about all of you. It's a tribute to all of you, and I'll see you on the big screen. Thank you all so much. Love you all.
Thank you, Ram sir. Thank you so much. Barli Chapala Ram sir ge please Bangalore. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ನಾನು ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ರು ಸೂಪರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರು ರಿಯಲ್ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ